Hello and welcome to day 4, Thursday, May 27th. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click async. You have one activity. It is a Nearpod. You know how to do Nearpods, so if you have any issues, let me know. And it is Thursday, that means it's sync. We meet on Zoom. So we're going to continue working on our essay. So I will be meeting with you all individually as others continue to work on their essay. It is important that you guys start putting in your information in the essay outline. Those of you who turn in an essay, you get to be in the drawing for $100. So please, if you are still interested in your um, essay, please be doing it. So you should be up to 4 or 5. All right, 4 or 5. Most people should be very close to doing 6. Some people already have done 6. And then we're going to be practicing how to paraphrase next week, and we should be done. And that's it for today. Good luck.